A lot of respiratory viruses cause similar symptoms, but the viruses themselves come from different virus families. So although they're both RNA viruses, the coronaviruses that we're used to, we have about 4 regular seasonal coronaviruses, and they typically cause a common cold. So coronaviruses came to attention, I suppose, in 2002, 2003 when SARS emerged, and it was really at that point that we realised that coronaviruses could cause more severe disease. So when we compare influenza and the new coronavirus, really what we're looking at transmissibility, and we're looking at severity of illness. So from a severity perspective, based on the cases that have been reported to date, it seems that the case fatality rate for the novel coronavirus is greater than that for seasonal influenza. Now, it's possible that the ultimate infection fatality rate will be lower, but at the moment of the laboratory confirmed cases, the case fatality rate is about 2%, which is about 20 times higher than what we would see for seasonal influenza.